Welcome to another Math Ninja Pro video.
In this video, we are going to see how we can use our special algebraic identities to help us to factorize algebraic expressions. To do that, we will need to look at the expanded forms and try to identify similar structures so that we can work backwards to get our product form. Let's look at a few examples to see how we can do that. Let's start with the first example, 4 plus 12pq plus 9p squared q squared. Now, if we look closely at this, we will see that it looks similar in structure to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. But we will need to rewrite some of the terms as follows. 4 can be rewritten as 2 squared. 9p squared q squared can be rewritten as 3pq whole thing squared. So we can see that if we were to compare with our structure, this would be our a squared and this would be our b squared. So what we really need here is 2ab. So let's see if we can rewrite 12pq as our 2ab over here. Right, we have 2 times of a, which is 2, and we have b, which is 3pq. Now let's check. If we have 2 times 2 times 3, if we press calculator, we will be able to get 12, and that multiplied to pq would give us 12pq. So therefore, this middle term is actually our 2ab. And hence, what we have is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So, I can rewrite this in the product form as a, which is 2, plus b, which is 3pq, whole thing squared. Alright, let's look at a second example. If we look at the second example, 25k squared minus 60kw plus 36w squared, we can see that it has a similar structure to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. But let's try to rewrite our terms first, and we will see that 25k squared can be rewritten as 5k whole thing squared. 36w squared can be rewritten as 6w squared. So we can clearly identify here as our a squared, which is the 5k whole thing squared, and our b squared is actually our 6w whole thing squared. So let's see what's missing. What's missing is our minus 2ab, right? So we already have the minus sign over here. So let's see if we can rewrite 60kw as 2 times of a, which is 5k, and b, which is 6w. So let's check that out. 2 times 5 gives 10. 10 times 6 gives us 60. Multiplied by k and w will give us our 60kw. So indeed, we have rewritten our algebraic expression as a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, where our a is 5k and our b is 6w. So we can factorize this by rewriting it in the product form, 5k, which is our a, plus 6w, which is our b, whole thing squared. Okay, let's go to another example, our third example. We have y plus 3 whole thing squared minus 16. Now, if we were to look very carefully and we do some comparison, we will see that this is similar in structure to a squared minus b squared. Where is the a? It is actually y plus 3, right? This is our a squared. And then, how about our b? We can actually rewrite our 16 as 4 squared, right? So therefore, our 4 squared will be the b squared. So that's our a squared minus b squared. So to factorize this, we need to write it as a plus b times a minus b So we can write it as A, which is y plus 3, plus B, which is 4, times A, which is y plus 3, minus B, which is 4. So let's remove the round brackets to simplify. So we have y plus 3 plus 4, and we have y plus 3 minus 4. So let's collect our like terms together, which are our constants, 3 plus 4 to get 7, and 3 minus 4 to get negative 1. So our final answer is y plus 7 times y minus 1.
Remember to like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more Ninja level math videos.